In our last video, we said any moment now, Ash will appear, and boom. Here it is. The wait is over, and this time, ONPASSIVE family. This is big. Mark your calendars, clear your schedule, because something extraordinary is about to happen. This is your official invitation to a moment that could redefine your ONPASSIVE journey. In O News 9, the leadership team is speaking directly to you. No filters, no delays. A real-time connection with the vision, the progress, and the future we're building together. Yes, this is the global address live update number 1. And you're on the guest list. On August 14th, 2025, at exactly 1 p.m. Eastern Time, USA history is calling. This isn't just another update. It's a chance to hear directly from the man who started it all, MUFAREH himself. Imagine being part of a live global broadcast, where the future of ONPASSIVE unfolds right before your eyes, where announcements are made first to those who show up. Why this matters? Opportunities like this are rare, because in our digital world, the most valuable thing you can have is inside information, directly from the source. This event could bring new product launches, global expansion updates, key business strategies, and perhaps surprises we can't even hint at yet. And here's the thing, if you miss it, you might just miss your chance to act early, position yourself better, and ride the next big ONPASSIVE wave. So, what should you do right now? Step 1. Open your calendar and lock in the date. August 14th, 2025, 1 p.m. EST. Step 2. Stay tuned to O News for all the details, because that's where the official livestream link will be posted. Step 3. Get your team, your friends, your fellow ONPASSIVE members ready. Share the news. Spread the word. Make sure nobody gets left out. ONPASSIVE is moving. The vision is growing, and you are part of this movement. When the broadcast starts, will you be just another viewer? Or will you be ready to grab the opportunities that only come once in a lifetime? The choice is yours. This is ONE's number 9. This is the global address. Live update number 1, featuring MUFAREH. Be there. Don't just hear about history. Make sure you're in the room when it happens.
Day, write it in gold. The greatest story's about to unfold. Every heartbeat, every dream we chase, led us here to this time and place. Mark the day, 14 August we'll unite. History's calling, the future's in sight. ONPASSIVE rising, the moment is near. A new chapter started, the vision is clear. Mark the day, 14 August we'll unite. History's calling, the future's in sight. ONPASSIVE rising, the moment is near. A new chapter starting, the vision is clear. We've walked the road through night and dawn, believing together we kept marching on. Through every test, we stood our ground. Now the trumpet of victory sounds. Mark the day, 14 August we'll unite. History's calling, the future's in sight. ONPASSIVE rising, the moment is near. A new chapter starting, the vision is clear. Mark the day, 14 August we'll unite. History's calling, the future's in sight. ONPASSIVE rising, the moment is near. A new chapter starting, the vision is clear. Every step we've taken, every dream we've made, has carved the path for this grand parade. Side by side, no one left behind. Our hearts and our purpose perfectly aligned. Soft pause, then drum kick back in. This is the spark, the dawn of the new. The countdown is here, and it's calling you. Mark the day, 14 August we'll unite. History calling, the future's